Oops. Oh. Yes. I need to tell these guys. Hi, sorry, I'm just trying to send a message to a particular group of people. Can you hear me? Somebody just tell me you can hear me, please. Hi, Nupur. Hi, Vinaifa. Can you guys hear me? Somebody just. Okay, lovely. You can hear me clearly? Superb. Superb. Okay. Get my. Lovely. Sorry, I don't know what's this gadbad. Last time they said 100 people. Now this time it's become 1,000 people you need to go live on YouTube. So I don't know what's happening. Maybe we're supposed to stick to this platform. No worries. Hi Shreya. Hello. Hi Shivani. Welcome everybody. Hi. I just need everybody to catch up like a little quick because this doesn't allow us to go more than an hour. I hope everyone gets a message. If there's anyone you know, guys, who's connecting, please just no Instagram. Sorry, just messaging somebody. Yep, on Instagram. Okay. Okay, there doesn't seem to be anybody. You guys are here, but there doesn't seem to be others joining up quickly. So we are, you know what we'll do? We'll just give it like, we'll wait till about 10 minutes past 10 and then we will do it. Hi Tanvi. Nice to see you here. Hello. Hi. C Narang. I don't know your name, but I'm saying hi C Narang to you. Hello. Hi Tanvi. How are you? Hello Madan. How are you? Hi. Hi C Narang. I mean, I am sorry, I don't know. Hi Chitra. How are you? Good to see you here. Welcome. Yes, Madan, I waved out to you. I'm well, beta. I'm very good. Please give my regards to your mother, Tanvi. Hello, Meenu. Yoo-hoo. So nice you're here. Lovely. Okay, so till we just get a few more people, we're just going to. I just wanted to tell you why I wanted to do this today. Love you too, Meenu. Uh, this was because, now that this restriction has been lifted, so a lot of people have, there's an excitement also probably that we can step out. Hi Juhi. And I know your JC giggles and I love your giggles. So basically, so then there's this little bit of anxiety also, right? That if I step out, what can happen? Is it going to be safe? Those kind of things. And even though we've done stuff with spiritual immunity, we still need to understand that we. Okay, hi Mona from your dad's account. Hello. Hi Darpan. We just need to understand that we need to get into a space where we believe that we are completely taken care of, that we are always looked after, you know. So I needed to do this to help everybody feel that one comfort level with being absolutely at home in your skin, no matter where you may be on the planet, no matter what you are doing, where you are going, to know that you're completely looked after, you know. Hi Divya. I Okay. I want somebody to tell my mom. Done. Okay, she'll be busy hunting for me, so I'm just going to make that one call to my mother and tell her that it's on Instagram. And we're just going to wait for 3 minutes more, and then 10:10 we're starting. Okay. Because these guys don't give us too much time, and then I think I take a long time when I'm doing these meditations. I don't come to know how long I'm going. It's not like planned. Hi Simran. Oops. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you, Puni. Thank you so much. God bless you for doing that. Lovely. And now my YouTube there has gone completely haywire on my phone. Two more minutes. We shall wait and then we shall begin. Merci. Hi Simran. Good to see you. Has your mama come today also? Yes. Please go and fetch water. Good, lovely. I just love this child, yeah. Please, everybody, keep water handy. See, Simran is going to fetch water. Everybody, please do the same. Keep your pani ready with you. Everyone, I'm going to take a sip as well before we start. Oh, lovely. I love it that your mother logs in. Just tell me if there's any. Hi, Vinita. Is any disturbance? Because when I'm going to start, I'm going to switch off the AC in my room. It could be making a sound that is disturbing. So I'll shut it off. Mhm. Hello. Yeah, I'll switch off the AC sound now. in a bit. It will get very hot. So I'm just waiting for. चलो अभी शुरू करते हैं यार. It's 10:10 because we don't get too much time. Okay. Switching off the AC. Now let the others join in as they will, because we are anyway going to get time. We are going. Let's see. I hope I get to put this on YouTube as well. We'll figure. Okay, everybody. I want everybody to sit in the way that I have always instructed you to. Please sit with your feet flat on the floor, or if you're lying down, then you're lying down. I want your hands in receptive mode, palms facing the ceiling, whether you're sitting or lying down, please. And they can be very aram se on your thighs or on your sides if you're lying down. Okay? And now, first, what we are going to do is, you can shut your eyes if you're comfortable. You can keep your eyes open, whatever. Okay? What we are going to do is we are going to be taking 5 deep breaths. Okay? And we are going to be taking these 5 deep breaths with counts. So ideally, I would like you to inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If for some reason you can't hold it for that long, that's fine. You can do it for a count of 4, or you can do it for a count of 3. So let's do it for a count of 4 so that everyone is comfortable. Okay? And we are going to start now. So first deep breath goes. Hold. Release. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Relax. 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 I want you to now see, sense, imagine that under the soles of your feet there begins to form a platform. Feel a platform beginning to form under your feet. It is like a round disc, and your feet are firmly on this round disc. This disc is pure silver in color. This is a 5th dimensional earth star chakra. Your connection to Mother Gaia, the Earth Mother. Feel her energies in the soles of your feet. You are fully grounded within the earth mother's heart. And now I want you to think, how are you feeling about going back out into the world? Does the thought bring up some fear? Does it bring up some anxiety, panic? Observe yourself. Where exactly are you feeling this fear, this panic, this anxiety? Are you feeling it between your shoulder blades? Are you feeling it in your chest? Are you feeling it in your belly? Where exactly are you feeling it in your being? It could be in a completely different place other than the ones that I have just spoken of. There could be a tightness in your chest. It could be anywhere, but please look at it and observe it. An anxiety about wanting to go out, and yet a fear of being with people, the fear of what can happen to my family, my loved ones, my children. And now that I am assuming most of you have identified where it is exactly that you are feeling this panic, fear, anxiety within your beings, we are now going to be calling forth 352 levels of the diamond violet flames, along with the golden pink flames, to come down now. And you can see, sense, feel, or imagine these two beautiful energies coming down together and entering 18 inches above your head into your stellar gateway chakra, coming down into your soul star a foot above your head, down into the causal chakra just above your crown, coming into your crown now, flooding it, coming down into your third eye. This is where you create your future, where you see from what it is that you want your world to look like. Bringing this energy down into your throat, into your heart. And now I want you to send this energy down, out, and wherever it is that you were feeling the panic, the fear, the anxiety within your being at the thought of being out in the world once more, at the thought of your family being out in the world, your loved ones, your friends, your children, wherever this is creating a knot, a tightness, a resistance in you. Send these energies into those places and spaces and allow them to neutralize all the effects that they are having on your systems, on your glands, on your organs. Feel them easing out those places and spaces, clearing them up, transmuting them back into light. Breathe deeply into those places and spaces. Send the light into them. With every inhale, send more light. And with every exhale, release the panic, release the fear, release the anxiety. And when you feel that you are clear, I want you to now start seeing. Literally, I want you to place your hands on your hearts and I want you to see these energies now swirling at speeds faster than that of thought, faster than that of light, creating all around you, literally suiting you up like a superhero, creating a second skin around you. Literally down to your fingers are gloved with these energies. Your feet, you're wearing boots of these energies. You know, like Catwoman. Literally, there's no inch of you left anywhere where these energies are not. It is like a mask over your face, your head, your neck, your entire body is encased in these energies. Feel the sense of freedom that this gives you, the sense of power. You are blazing with these energies from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And you're even wearing a cloak to boot, like a superhero. All ready. And now that you are cloaked in your super suit, do the same for the members of your family, for your children, your loved ones. See everyone being cloaked and being suited, super suited. Each one of you is invincible. Super powerful. And let's now take this energy and start sending it out. Start sending it out. This golden, pink, and diamond violet energy. Let's start sending it out into your home, into every nook and cranny of your home. Let us start creating a suit for your home. The walls, the doors, the windows, the ceilings, the floor, all aspects of your home completely sealed off in this suit, this divine light, so that nothing can penetrate. No toxicity, no virus, no negativity. And now proceed to do the same for your apartment building, your home if you live in a bungalow, your compound, your street, your city, your state, your country. And let's start spreading this out now onto the entire planet. Let us make the intention that we wish these divine energies to cloak every man, woman, and child, to suit them up in their super suits, in their super armor. Let every being and kingdom receive this protection. Let us send it out into Mother Earth's atmospheres, her gas belts, her waters, protecting her, cleansing, purifying. See it spreading like wildfire all over the planet. And now see, sense, imagine the planet in front of you, like a ball, a sphere that is literally aglow with these energies, these frequencies of the diamond violet and the pink and the gold. She's blazing with it. And as she is blazing with it, so are we, each and every one of us, all 7 billion plus, blazing with this energy. One heart, and now please repeat after me. I am as above, so below. I am as above, so below. I am as above, so below. I am as within, so without. I am as within, so without. I am as within, so without. I am invincible. I am invincible. I am invincible. I am sovereign. I am sovereign. I am sovereign. I am free. I am free. I am free. And now drink in these frequencies. Literally like you are drinking an elixir of pure protection, an elixir of pure safety, an elixir that is completely antivirus, antibacteria, anti-disease in any shape or form. Feel it swirling in every cell, molecule, atom, and all the spaces in between of your being. And take a moment now to send blessings upon your own selves for being here at this time on the planet to assist her during her ascension. Open your hearts and receive your very own blessings to yourselves. And now send your blessings out onto the planet, into the hearts of all that have joined here together with us today. into the hearts of all everywhere that have woken up, that are waking up, the ones that are unconscious. Let us bless everyone, everywhere, for all their contributions, for who they are, for each one is a part of us. And in blessing that part, we are indirectly blessing ourselves. So God bless everybody, everywhere. God bless our Divine Mother Gaia. And know that you are forever safe, forever protected, and forever loved. And whenever you feel comfortable, you may open your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please drink some water, guys. So we still have a bit of time. I would love to know how you felt. Does anyone have any queries? Something you want to ask me? Very welcome, Divya. Very welcome. Gratitude that you could come. Thank you. Thank you, Vinita. Okay, so since we're on, I just want to share something with you guys. So, today I made you do this exercise where I asked you to imagine a platform, a disc under your feet, right, for grounding into Mother Earth. So, if you could do this every morning when you wake up, you know. Oh, I'm so happy, Nupur. I'm so glad that you're feeling better. God bless you. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you for coming. So, like I said, if you could do this every morning when you wake up now, and you're going to get off the bed, right? So you just keep your feet flat on the floor before you even go to the loo. Okay, this is, you keep your feet flat on the floor and you just intend that you want to connect with Mother Earth, and you'll immediately, the moment you will intend, you will feel a tingling happening in the soles of your feet, you know. And just intend that you want to connect with her, your earth star chakra. Okay, you'll feel that tingling happening, and you don't have to have so much sensation also. Whatever you feel is fine. Know that the moment you start feeling that little bit also, you are connected. And then just ask that I want to be able to experience the highest frequencies of Mother Gaia that are possible for me today, for the rest of this day, you know. And then just close your eyes. Your eyes will be closed, you've just woken up from your sleep, so you'll be half asleep only. But just feel that energy, it will come swirling into your body. You will feel it. And even if you can't feel it, trust me, don't worry, she's there. Everything is happening. It's not necessary that we have to be able to feel every single thing, so don't worry about that. But set the intention, that is the most important thing, and feel that connection. And then for the rest of the day, whenever you have the time, just do this exercise again. Whenever you can do it, do it, because what happens is that is also, that's our 5D platform. You know, like I said, spoke in recently about doing the 5D chakra activation thing. We'll do that maybe next week. uh, so what happens is you immediately get grounded into her energy, and you get grounded into the highest energies that your body is capable of handling at that particular time, coming down from her. So what happens is, you start getting more and more connected with her. And when you're very connected with her, you're very connected with everything and everybody. So your intuition will start getting sharper. You will be getting more divine guidance. You'll be understanding life on the planet a little bit better. Some of us still, whatever, we may have even spent 50 plus years here, but there's a lot of stuff that still sometimes gets to us. We can't handle, we don't understand, right? Because we don't really belong here. But when we do this connective thing with her, becomes easier. Everything becomes easier to handle because her energies are with us so solidly, and we are grounded. Otherwise, our thing is always to be flying away into the ethers because we don't want to be here. So we become into that airy fairy mode. We don't want to be airy fairy anymore. We need to be very grounded into her because we are here to do our work. And in order to do that, we need to be fully grounded into her very properly. You know, we do not have to be distracted. So whenever you think that I feel that you're getting distracted, sit down somewhere. You go to the loo. When you're sitting on the potty, just under your feet, imagine you're connected. You know, bottom line, you don't have to bother with where you are. Just know that. Shoulder blades are paining. Okay, close your eyes. We should clear her shoulder blades. Kalpana's shoulder blades are paining. Okay. How are they now, Kalpana? You just cleared your shoulder blades. Please tell me, is it better? Kalpana, please tell me how your shoulder blades are now. We just did a clearing for you. Okay. It will keep releasing, don't worry. Clearing them out. Okay? Maybe you've got too much anxiety there. Also, set the intention as you sleep tonight. Everybody who has been on this call, everybody who has done the meditation, set the intention as you sleep in the night for these energies to keep working for you. I will set the intention for you as well, for them to work on you for the next 48 hours. You want 48 hours or 72? You tell me, we'll set it for that. And then it will clear you for that many hours. Tell me the number and we'll set it for you. Yeah, so what I was telling you something about the grounding, right? So you just tell me how many hours you want me to set it for you. I'll do that. Cool. 72 hours. So we set up a decree that these energies are going to be working on this entire group for the next 72 hours, clearing them of everything that is creating fear, anxiety, panic, and we ask for this to take place without creating a healing crisis, short circuiting them in any way, or giving them extreme detox symptoms. And with the power of three, the Holy Trinity, it is done, it is done, it is done, and so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Beloved, I am that I am. Please also, I'm so happy you're feeling safe, Shreya. Thank you. Please keep giving me your feedback, guys, on whatever, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, wherever, so I know how you are feeling in the next 72 hours. Okay, even if you're not feeling good, let me know, because then I'll send you help for that also. Okay, so now this is going to work on you. Sure thing, that would be lovely. Thank you. Lovely day. We'll do it on the eclipse day. Pakka. It always feels like to me. This is always fun to do. Because we're connecting with the divine. What can be better than that, right? Kalpana, are you feeling better now? Thank you, Darpan. Thank you. How are your shoulders, Kalpana? Yay, Divya, I'm so happy because I didn't mention this, but there is fairy music playing, okay, while we've been doing this meditation. So you actually felt it. Wow, you grew your wings. Lucky you. Now you can fly all over the place in freedom. Thank you, Simran. Thank you guys for being here. So please remember this grounding thing, guys. It's very important. Okay? Do this, because the more we do it, the sooner and faster we climb up the ascension ladder. Thanks, Puni. Thank you, thank you. Gratitude to all of you for being here. Gone are the days when, another thing I'll tell you, gone are the days when people used to think, that you need to do things many times, like do this prayer like 140 times and then this will happen and that will happen. Now this age is so brilliant, it's so amazing, things happen so quickly. Vijaya, hello. Hi. we i I don't know whether you just joined, right? So we are done actually, because no matter, I think this will be saved probably. I'll see. Last time I did some gadwad and it didn't get saved on Instagram. Then I managed to put it on YouTube. I'm learning. No matter. So, okay. So Vijaya, you missed the beginning. So we're just going to tell you very quickly that when you wake up every morning, if you can put your feet flat on the floor and imagine a platform forming under your feet made of pure silver, like a disc, like we have chakras, right? So the chakras are round, no? So imagine that this is flat. It's a flat chakra and your feet are on it. And you set the intention that you want to connect with the highest frequencies of Mother Earth that are suitable for you at that time. Okay? And you just give it like about 30 seconds to 1 minute. You will feel it, and then you get up and you continue with your day, and then through your day, whenever you feel like it, you can redo this exercise as many times as you want, because you know how it is through the day. Also, our energies are fluctuating constantly, right? We are never the same. Though the ideal thing is to be in one constant frequency, but We are all at different stages, right? So we are learning. We have to learn to keep the light high, the light bright constantly. This is what this whole journey is about, and especially this whole lockdown thing and all. It was to teach us how to do this, you know. So please keep this in mind. Grounding is very important. It's not necessary that you feel, oh, I don't have a garden and I can't. You don't need a garden. Mother Earth is everywhere. Wherever you are, she is. Because everything is about her, right? We are this entire game, this show is going on her, you know. So please connect with her. Any other query, anything anybody has before we wind up? Yay, I was just going to ask you, Kalpana, that how is your pain? So glad that it's gone. Grateful, grateful. So please don't forget, you're supposed to give me your feedback for the next 72 hours because these energies are going to be working on you, clearing you for the next 72 hours. Okay? Please, Darpan, very welcome. Very welcome. Everybody, very welcome. Extreme gratitude for being here, for trusting me. Thank you. Thank you, JC Giggles, for coming. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And the thing is, I don't know what the thing is on this when it goes off. I have no clue. Yes, I'm hoping this video will be saved. If it doesn't get saved here, then I'll put it on YouTube. That's what I did last time. So we'll come to know. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Vijaya. Very welcome, my darling. Very welcome. Thank you, Mona. Thank you for coming. Anybody wants to share what they felt? Thank you, Meenu, for staying up late for me. Loads of hugs back to you. And now Simran has given us a beautiful idea, so we will be doing one on the eclipse day as well. So gratitude to Simran for giving us this lovely idea. I'm looking forward to it myself. Oh, how lovely. But I hope that the emotions you were feeling were of gratitude, right, Shweta? Simran, beta, have you any clue when is the eclipse? Somebody is asking when it is, so you have to tell us. Then we'll plan it accordingly. Otherwise, of course, we'll be in touch and we'll tell. 21st June, Meenu, it's on 21st June. Lovely. So we'll do it on the 21st. Inshallah. Let's see what the divine has to give us on that day. What gifts we will receive. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like buzzing. I'm still buzzing with the energy. I hope everybody drank their pani, their charged pani. I'm not very clear if everyone can see all the comments. Meenu, can everybody see everyone's comments? Yes. Yeah. It's really, really good. And water is very important every single day of your life for the rest of your life, okay? Please oh, remember that, because it helps to conduct the energy through your body. Energy is coming in irrespective. There's a lot of light coming down onto the planet, and energies are changing sometimes almost daily, So which is why sometimes, how you feel, you just don't want to move an inch. You don't want to do anything at all. That's when the energies are very powerful and potent. There are like these solar flares happening. You just become like, I can't move. Rather, I don't want to move, but you have to. But the feeling is that, because sometimes the body just, and also please rest when your body asks for it, because sometimes it just needs to shut down in order to be able to assimilate the energies. So it's not a bad thing to take a nap in the afternoon if your body feels like it. Okay? Does anyone have any queries? Fully charged. Yay! That's nice. Lovely. Yes, we can. You mean we can have the naps, right? That's what Kalpana means, I think. Yeah, we all need to take care of ourselves at this time. It's very important. You matter first before anybody else, because if you're in good shape, then you can handle the rest of the world, your life, your people. You have to be full, self full, then you can give, right? Okay, so now we've got a thing. We've just got like 1 minute and just a little bit of 1.5 minute left, guys. So let's say good night to each other. And it was lovely that you all came. Gratitude. Please keep everything I said to you in mind, okay? Till we meet again. God bless you. Infinite love, beloveds. Thank you, and infinite gratitude for your presence. Thank you so, so very much. God bless you too, Binaifa. Thank you for coming, my love. Thank you very much. My pleasure always. Yes, good night and blessings to all, says Divya. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Good night, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for all your trust. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude. Just waiting for it to end.